He stands beneath the neon signs upon the crowded street. She waits beside the subway where the city pulses meet. The heavy rain begins to fall against the glass and steel. They do not know the depth of what they both feel. He checks his silver watch and smooths his coat of gray. She brushes back her hair and turns the other way. Two lonely souls are drifting through the concrete and the light. The stars are hiding somewhere in the glowing city night. It flows between the buildings like a river made of gold. The story of the heart that never quite grows old. It carries them together through the rush and heavy sound, until the quiet rhythm of a steady pulse is found. It washes through the shadows and it cleans the dusty air. A love that finds its home within a simple, silent prayer. He finds her by the fountain near the Central Park gate. She smiles because she knows that they are not too late. The traffic noise is fading as they walk beneath the trees. A sudden warmth is carried on the cool and evening breeze. He takes her trembling hand within the shadow of the wall. She leans against his shoulder as the evening shadows fall. The city lights are blinking like 1,000 distant tiny eyes, reflecting all the secrets of the dark and summer skies. It flows between the buildings like a river made of gold. A story of the heart that never quite grows old. It carries them together through the rush and heavy sound, until the quiet rhythm of a steady pulse is found. It washes through the shadows and it cleans the dusty air. A love that finds its home within a simple, silent prayer. Skyscrapers are giants guarding secrets in the dark of night. But even steel must soften in the glow of morning light. The pavement holds the echoes of the steps they took alone, before they found a path that they could call their own. The river of the city brings the lonely to the shore, to find the single heart they have been searching for. The sunrise paints the windows in a soft and rosy hue. The world around the lovers feels entirely, completely new. They walk into the morning as the city starts to wake, a promise made in silence that the world can never break.